This keyboard still stands as a premium option in the budget segment. On this channel, I share my workflow and explore productive gadgets. You can also find more keyboard and gadget reviews here. The box includes an instruction card, a manual, a well-protected keyboard with a 2.4 GHz dongle, a few extra switches, a keycap puller, and a 150cm USB Type-C to USB-A cable. The acrylic cover feels decent in quality. These are the dimensions of the model, which also features a solid rubberized grip base along with the two-level rubberized kickstands. First level at 0.3 cm and second level at 1.3 cm. The outer plastic build feels quite premium, weighing around 987 grams. That's lower than the last Reaper Switches keyboard we have reviewed. The software has a similar coding and UI experience that most brands offer, same buggy software. You get all the common features along with full per key RGB customization on this 75% south-facing RGB mechanical keyboard. If you are concerned about the input lag, the keyboard offers a 1000 Hz polling rate on both wired and 2.4 GHz dongle connection, while Bluetooth 5.0 runs at 125 Hz and supports up to 3 devices simultaneously. The solid 4000 mAh battery delivers around 250 hours with lights off and approx 17 hours with full RGB lighting. The switches sound thocky or slightly tacky, all thanks to the gasket mounted design with pre-lubed linear Graywood switches paired with double shot PBT keycaps. They call it sweat proof or maybe anti-sweat PBT keycaps. I don't know if that makes any sense. I would rate it 4 out of 5 considering the build quality, sound and dedicated volume knob as its strongest points, while the buggy software and the 17 hours battery backup with full RGB in wireless mode are clear downsides. So is this keyboard still relevant under this budget? Comment down your opinions. Also, the Reaper Switches variant sound more thocky, so I prefer that one over this. You can check out its review from here. Also, if this video gets decent likes, I will completely compare both of the keyboards side by side. So give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and stay productive.